Why is there chocolate all over the light switch?
You're telling.
No way.
Well, where would it come from?
I've turned the light switch on half a dozen times.
I don't know.
Today. Why
It's a big bug.
is my sweetie been eating chocolate? How did chocolate get all over the light switch?
You're doing your laundry.
You've been in here eating chocolate. You got busted. If it's not chocolate, maybe it's shit, but I don't know what it is. But somebody has been sneaking chocolate and getting it all over the light switch. What? Well, I've been eating on it slowly. Who spilled all over the counter in here? What's that pink stuff spilled all over the countertop? You've been in here chowing down on... You're in here eating. I'm out working like a dog. You're smearing chocolate on the wall. Oh, Jesus.
You do not know how hard it is.
You did great. Change your freaking radio.